Chapter number 13, exercise 13.3, question 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form. The numbers are I have written over here. You can pause the video and try to solve yourself. Once you complete all these numbers, because you must be having a book as well with you, I'll let you know the page number as well. It's a 263 page number. The page number is 263. Yeah, question number 1, exercise 13.3. Once you pause, you solve all of them, and once you complete, then you can play and compare your answers with the mine answer. Yeah. So now to write this number 2, I am writing 279404 in expanded form. So now my expanded form will be 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 raised to 5 plus 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 raised to 4 in plus 9 into 1, 2, 3, 10 raised to 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to 2. 4, 9, I've skipped the 4. 4 into 10 raised to 2. Then plus 0 into 10 raised to 1. And then finally 4. So now, or I have skipped one step which I will rewrite again. 2 into 10 raised to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then plus 7 into 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, then plus 9 into 1,000, 1, 2, 3, then plus 4 into 100, plus 0 into 10, plus 4, that's the expanded form. So after this step, this is the 10 is 100,000 is nothing but 10 raised to 5. 10,000 is 10 raised to 4. 1,000 is 10 raised to 3. 10 square is 100. 10 raised to 1 is 10. And actually the last one you can write it as, even if you wanted to follow the sequence, 10 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is comes out to be 1. So you can calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is 300 300 6194. So you can say 30 lakhs. Now I write this is a 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to 6 plus 0 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3, then plus 1 into 10 square, then plus 9 into 10 raised to 1, and then last one plus 4. You can write 10 raised to, if you want, 10 raised to 0. So now this number 3006194 in expanded form is like this. So now I move on to the third one. So my third number is 280696. So now 2 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to be little careful when you write the first time. After the once you write the first one, on next one you always decrementing it by 1, or you can say you decrease it by, the power decreases by 1. So 2 into 10 raised to 6 plus 8 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0. So your expanded form, you don't need to write 10 raised to 0, but if you want it to be a consistent and it gives you easy to understand, then you can continue up to that form as well. But if you don't write, that should be okay. You can write simply 6. So you count from 1 to 6, or you decrease from any number to 1. So now move to the next one. So the fourth one is 120 1,20,790. 1,20,790. So 1 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 raised to 3 plus 7 into 10 square plus 1 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9. So now this is your expanded form of 120,000. 1,20,719. And now the last one, 220,068. 220,068. So now 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 raised to 3 plus 0 into 10 square plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 and then plus 8. Now for larger numbers, if you don't want to commit any mistake, so you can better way do that. Say suppose to be this is the number. This is a number which I need to write in expanded form. Say 4, 5, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. So what I will be doing, 4 into. Now I write 1, 2, 3, or from here you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now 4 into 10 raised to 6. Then plus 5 into 10 raised to 5 plus 8 into 10 raised to 4. So this number and the next sequence, so comes out to be 10 raised to 4. Then plus 9 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 square. Then 2 into 10 raised to 1 and then plus 3. So here you can find out like that, like this as well. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.